In this video we will learn how to install the current MySQL version on Windows 11. So let us see. At first go to the web browser. On Google type MySQL and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. mysql.com. Now click the downloads menu. Go below. Here select MySQL Community Downloads. Now here it is. Select MySQL installer for Windows. The current version is visible. Go below. It automatically selected the operating system. Here two versions are visible. We will go for the second version. Okay, it is 353 MB. It's written x86 32-bit, but this works for 64-bit Windows operating system as well. Click the download button. Click no thanks, just start my download. The download started. Let's wait. The installer file downloaded. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Here I'll select custom so that we can understand what we are installing. Click next. Under the select products, click MySQL servers. After that, click MySQL server. Select MySQL server 8.0. After that, click here to drag. We successfully dragged it here. Similarly, go to applications. Click Workbench. Click MySQL Workbench 8.0. Now click the following. Click the arrow. That's it. Now go to Shell. Do the same. Click here. Click MySQL Shell 8.0.42 and click the arrow. So we will install the following three products: Server, Shell and Workbench. Click next. Now these are ready to install. Click execute. One by one it will install. Let's wait. The status is complete. Click next. Product configuration. Click next again. Type in networking. Here the port number is 3306. Keep the default and click next. Authentication method, use strong password. It is recommended, so I'll keep it as it is and click next. Now enter the root password. Always remember, root is the admin of your MySQL. You can use any password. You need to remember this password. So later on we will use this password to log into our server on the local system. Click next. Windows service, keep it as it is. Click next. Server file permissions, keep the default. Your database will get saved in the following location. Yes, grant full access. Click next. Apply configuration. Click execute. Now let's wait. The configuration is complete. Click finish. Click next. Now when we will click finish, it will start the workbench as well as shell. Click finish. Let us minimize them and let us set the path. We installed MySQL in C drive. Program files. Here it is, MySQL server bin. Copy this path. Minimize. Go to start. Type environment variables. Remember, you need to click on edit the system environment variables. Click open. Now under advanced, Click environment variables. Under system variables, that is here, double click the path. Now click new and paste the same path. So we have pasted the bin path. Click OK, OK, and the last OK. So we have installed MySQL successfully. Go to start, type cmd, click open. Now we will verify the installation. Type the command MySQL space -- version and press enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed it. Now let us start the server. Type the command MySQL space -u. Here U is for user, so our user was root. -p is for password, so when I'll press enter, it will ask me the same password. Add the same password we said before. Press enter. We successfully started our MySQL server. Now let us create our first database. Let us first check the default database using the show databases command. So these are the default databases provided by MySQL. Let us create a new database. I'll type the command create space database space the database name. So here I'm adding the database name as AmitDB. Press enter. Query OK means we successfully created it. Now I'll type the same command show databases. Now 5 databases will be visible because we just created a database. Press enter. Here it is, our new database AmitDB is visible. Okay, so for a free MySQL tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Let us see Workbench now. This was our Workbench. Click here. Now enter the same password. Save password in Vault and click OK. We successfully logged into MySQL Workbench. Consider it as a UI to create database tables and perform operations in MySQL. For a free MySQL Workbench tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video.